Hey guys, Zach with Edwards Garage. Today we're going to be showing you this 2018 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ 1500. Now, unique about this truck is that it's a Centennial Edition, so it's celebrating the 100 years of Chevrolet. A few things that make that package special is the paint color is unique to that model. It's kind of a cool blue. Same with the badging. You're going to see this kind of throughout the vehicle. We have up front, we have park assist sensors, LED fog lights, projector beam, high and low beam headlamps, LED signature lighting, a forward collision alert and lane departure warning camera up on the windshield, 22-inch alloy wheels, and then just kind of moving on the side, you got some chrome accents. There is a factory sprayed in box liner with one of those Chevrolet logos stamped at the top. We have aftermarket gator back flaps, lockable tailgate with the key fob, backup camera, 4-pin, 7-pin trailer plug, ultrasonic rear park assist, painted to match back bumper with the tow package, LED tail lamps, and then just finishing up on this side, you can kind of see the rest of the condition on the truck. Let's pop our heads under the hood and we'll show you some stuff there. Okay, so under the hood of this truck, it's powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine. It's the Ecotec 3 model. And so what that means is you get active fuel management, direct injection, and variable valve timing. It only has just shy of 33,000 kilometers on it, so it's practically broken, like new if you'd call it. And yeah, so let's show you on the inside now. Okay, so inside the cab, one of the things I want to point out before we close the door is just down at the floor mat. So this has got, it's a GM factory mat. It has it in the front and rear. They're very similar to a WeatherTech style. But in addition to the stuff I pointed outside about the Centennial Edition is also the floor mat. So you get a nice chrome Chevrolet badge on that. And that was something that came with these, which was kind of nice. So anyways, let's start the walkthrough on the inside. Okay, so right here we got a wireless charge mat. So you can set a cell phone down on there and it will charge it with no wires. In here we got 2 USB ports and a big console tray. Cup holders. A nice storage spot there, 150 watt inverter, 2 more USB ports and 2 12-volt outlets. Up here in this bank of switches, we have programmable power pedals, traction stability control, rear cargo light, our front and rear park assist, and then lane keep assist. So now this is achieved with that camera I pointed out on the inside, and what it will do is once it detects lines on the road, it will actually adjust the wheel to keep you in the lane you're going in, which is kind of cool. And then last but not least, the hill descent control. It is equipped with heated and cooled seats for both the driver and front passenger, as well as dual zone automatic climate control, CD player, as this will be one of the last years we've offered that. And then up top, we have a full touchscreen radio with gesture control so I can slide my finger across it. It features Sirius XM satellite radio as well as AM FM, and then you can either through the USB ports or through Bluetooth you can run a device, and usually that's a cell phone through here as well. Full Bluetooth for phone calls, and then also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is a factory navigation program on here, so if you're not in cell service you do have the option of navigation, and then as well as text messaging and the app center. So there's no apps downloaded on this vehicle right now, but for example, one of those apps you can get is the weather channel, and there's an audiobooks one and a few more. So that's the vehicle has the ability to download those. Over on the steering wheel, it's tilt and telescopic. It has steering wheel audio controls, so our volume and then our radio presets on this side. A full digital color driver's information center. Now, because the vehicle features navigation, you may or may not see it on the video, but it also will give you the speed limit of the road you're on. It's not every road, but a lot of major ones, so you always know what speed limit it is, and it's doing that with the information from the nav system. Bluetooth controls are on here as well, and then on this side we have our heated steering wheel, cruise control, and then our forward collision alert. In behind, wipers. Up here we have a factory trailer brake control, automatic 4-wheel drive as well as 4 high and 4 low, and then our auto low beam headlights with the fog light option. On the driver's panel, or driver's door panel, we have programmable driver seat settings. So you can have all the settings on the seats, as I mentioned, power pedals, the seat itself, and the mirrors. You can have that adjust when you get in. You can have it tailor to where you want it to go. And then when you get out, you can have the seat move all the way back. There is full power functions for the windows, door locks, mirrors, and then the mirrors are also power folding. And this side's auto dimming as well. The vehicle features a Bose premium sound system. There is a subwoofer and amplifier inside the console, and then child lockouts conveniently located on the door opposed to the individual doors in the back. Up top, we have a sunroof that's tilt and you're able to slide it, as well as a power sliding rear window, which is just right here it'll control the window in the back there. And then programmable garage door buttons, and last but not least, our OnStar system. The rear seats, as I mentioned, have the same floor mats as what I pointed out. It's 60-40 bench fold seat. If there's any questions, feel free to give us a shout, 403-845-3328, or visit us online.